Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we take a arc, then take another arc center point, both arc center point constant with the axis center point. Its radius is 30, its radius is 40. Line, wait a minute. Its distance is 10 mm. Take another arc and both are concentric. Both center point and half arc is aligned in a single aligned in a horizontal. Total distance is 100 mm. Line, mirror about this one. Total distance is 80. Oh, okay, 80 is the center point distance from center line to that is 60. 20 is for radius, then total it become 80. You are extruding this profile. How much distance? 10 okay. Exit. Select the sketch. Extrude. Now it is this 10 30. Okay. Again select the sketch using the extrude command. How much is extrude? It extrude 10 mm. It extrude of 50 mm. Then again edit sketch. It this dimension is 60 mm. 10 mm is the thickness of the wall and 50 mm that extrude from the sketch. Extrude, wait a minute, there is some gap left. Select this one also. Select from both sides. Using the extrude command. While selecting the profile, for the extrusion, please select carefully, because if there is any gap left in the during the extrusion selection area, then it show an error. I always say that you selection the area carefully, and whole dia is double hole 16. Okay. Both side select it. Now our profile is till now it is not completed. Sketch right plane from this point to here, and this distance is 8 mm. Now come out from sketch using the rib command. Yeah, you can use post extrude command. Now our part is completed. Thank you guys.